In this video, we're going to learn how to evaluate the piecewise function at the given values of the independent variable. So the key word is the piecewise function. So this function is defined by two separate functions. So in this case, we're given g of x equals x plus 5 when the values of x are greater than or equal to negative 5. G of x is equal to the opposite or negative of x plus 1, quantity x plus 1. What I recommend is to draw a number line. So here it says in order to use the first equation, it's going to be based on negative 5. So we can define 0 here, and negative 5 will be somewhere to the left. So for values of x that are greater than or equal to negative 5, greater than or equal to negative 5, we are going to be using the function x plus 5. That's the g of x function that you will be using. For values of x that are less than negative 5, so values of the function that are less than negative 5, we're going to be using the function g of x equals the negative of quantity x plus 5. So when we are asked to find the function of the function g when x is equal to 0, notice that it indicates 0. That means that the function that I will be using is the one x plus 5. So this is going to be 0 plus 5 will define the value of the function g when x is equal to 0. And that's all we have to do. There is only one answer. When it is g of negative 6, notice that negative 6 is to the left of negative 5. Therefore, you're going to be using the function g of x equals the opposite of quantity x plus 5. So the opposite of x is negative 6 at 5. So simplify what is in parentheses first, and minus or a negative times a negative equals a positive 1. Again, there is only one answer. Do not evaluate the value of x in both equations. It's only one answer. Then the other one, g of 1. 1 is located to the right of negative 5. Therefore, the function that we are going to use is g of x equals x plus 5. So in this case, x is 1 at 5. The function g evaluated when x is 1 is g of 1 equals 6.